Coral reefs are among the most diverse ecosystems on Earth. Like underwater cities, they shelter thousands of marine species, from extraordinary sharks and rays to world-renowned delicacies like lobsters and groupers. But sadly, climate change, overfishing, pollution, and more are killing coral reefs all around the world, and scientists predict 90% of them will be dead by 2050. So, what does a planet without coral reefs look like? The answer is pretty grim. A world without corals means not only will we have a less diverse and less beautiful ocean, but it'll also be an economic disaster for many people, mostly in developing island nations. Coastal fishing industries could collapse, coastal tourism would shrink, and 25% of marine life would lose their habitat, as once marvelous coral reefs transform into lifeless, slimy graveyards. But all is not lost yet. The ocean needs our help, now more than ever. That's where you come in. The Perry Institute for Marine Science is a nonprofit that restores coral reefs, the dazzling rainforests of the sea, and engages businesses, dive operations, and people like you in coral restoration. We operate more than 30 coral nurseries on islands in the Bahamas and across the Caribbean, growing thousands of critically endangered corals to rebuild struggling reefs. We track and report on the health of hundreds of coral reefs in the region, and we conduct research to replenish vital fisheries and habitats that are intrinsically connected to coral reefs, like seagrass meadows and coastal mangrove forest. But we can't do this without you. We care deeply about educating and empowering ocean heroes, like yourself, through hands-on learning opportunities, both in the field and from the comfort of your home. Will you join our fight to save coral reefs? To get involved or donate, visit our website,